Hello, dear students. Welcome back to the science class. Dear students, I hope you all are fine at your home and are studying well. Yes? Today, in this video class, we will continue with the lesson Food, our basic need. Till now, we have studied the different types of nutrients. Yes, about carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Today, I will just revise the important points about the components of food. Yes, here I will revise the all the types of nutrients here. So you can write these important points in your rough book and read. Okay. First, which nutrient we have studied? First, we have studied about the carbohydrates. Here, let us see here. What are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are energy giving foods. Then from which food we will get carbohydrates to our body? Nothing but which are the sources of carbohydrates? Yes, dear students, can you tell which are the sources of carbohydrates? Yes, the sources of carbohydrates are wheat, fruit juices, potatoes, rice, bread and bananas. These are the sources of carbohydrates. Then what are carbohydrates, dear students? Carbohydrates are the energy giving foods. When you eat the carbohydrates, then you will get energy to your body. If you are not eating carbohydrates, then you will not get any energy to your body. So carbohydrate is it is a nutrient which will give us energy to our body. Next, we have discussed about fats also. Yes, what are fats? Fats are also energy giving foods. Yes, fats will also give us energy. Then which are the sources of fats? Yes, the sources of fats are cooking oil, ghee, meat, nuts and butter. These are the sources of fats. By eating ghee, meat, nuts, butter and cooking oil which you are using in a cooking. Yes, by eating these all we will get what? We will get fats to our body. Proteins. Then what are proteins, dear students? Proteins are body building food. Nothing but if you want to build your body in a good way, then you have to consume what? You have to consume. Consume andre tinbeku. You have to eat what? You have to eat proteins here. Proteins help us to grow. See, if there is no proteins in our body, then we will not grow properly. Now correct agi grow aglike sadhya illa. Proteins nam body olagade illa andre. Okay, so we have to consume proteins also in our diet. So proteins are body building food and proteins also help us to grow. What is the function of proteins in our body? Proteins function ಏನಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ? It help us to grow. Then which are the sources of proteins, dear students? Yes, sources of proteins are pulses, fish, eggs, cheese, milk and beans. These are the sources of proteins. If you eat all these in your diet, then you will get proteins to your body. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರದ ಫುಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಫುಡ್ and proteins help us to grow here. Next, we have discussed about the vitamins. Yes, vitamins are protective food. Yes, if you want to protect your body, then we need what? We need vitamins to our body. Vitamins helps our body to fight against diseases. Yes, whenever we get any diseases to our body, vitamins will help against those diseases here. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ರೋಗ ಬಂತಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಆ ರೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So vitamins are very essential to our body. Remember, vitamins helps our body to fight against diseases. Okay, so what are vitamins? Vitamins are protective food, so we will call vitamins are protective food. Here the question will come, why vitamins are called a protective food? ವಿಟಮಿನ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫುಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಟು ಫೈಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್. ವಿಟಮಿನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, ನಮಗೇನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಬಂತಂದರೆ ಅದು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಫೈಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ protective food. Different kinds of vitamins are, as I have told already, in a vitamins there are different kinds of vitamins are there. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. Let us see the function of these vitamins here. Vitamin A. What is the function of vitamin A? It keeps our skin healthy and improves eyesight. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಎ ಇರಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಐಸೈಟ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಕೂಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಬಿ, it helps our body to produce energy. Vitamin B, what it will do? It will helps our body to produce the energy. Next one is a vitamin C. It helps our body to grow and repair our body tissues. Vitamin C, what it will do? It will helps our body to grow. As you all know that you all are growing day by day. Yes, because vitamin C is present in our body, so we are growing day by day here, and it will repair the tissues in our body. I have told what is a tissue. Tissue is nothing but it is a group of cell. Group of cell ಗೆ ನಾವು tissues ಅಂತೀವಿ. Tissues, our human body is made up of tissues here. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ tissues ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. Our body is made up of many tissues. Tissues are nothing but group of cells. Next one is a vitamin E. It boosts our body's resistance against bacterial and viral infections. Nothing but whenever we will get a bacterial and viral infections, this vitamin E, it boosts, it gives energy to the to that diseases here, bacterial or viral infections. It will boost our body, nothing but it will give us energy at that time. Okay, if you have vitamin E, then you can fight against any bacterial and viral infections. Okay. Next one, about minerals. Minerals are required for the formation of healthy bones, blood and teeth. Why do we need minerals to our body? Minerals ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ? Because it is required for the formation of healthy bones, blood and teeth. In our body, there are bones are there. If you want healthy bones, then minerals are very essential. And there is a formation of blood also. It also will take place with the help of these minerals only. Then teeth. If you want to form the healthy bones, blood and teeth, then minerals plays a very important role. So examples of minerals: calcium, iron, potassium and iodine. These are the some kinds of minerals or some examples of minerals we can say. Okay, calcium are required for the formation of bones. ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಮಿನರಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಶಿಯಂ ಅನ್ನೋ ಮಿನರಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಬೋನ್ಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೋನ್ಸ್, ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೋನ್ಸ್ calcium mineral is necessary. Remember, calcium are required for the formation of bones. Iron helps in the formation of blood. Yes, for the formation of blood, iron mineral is necessary. For the formation of bones, calcium is necessary. Remember, for the formation of blood, we need iron mineral. For the formation of bones, we need calcium mineral. These are the very important points, dear students. Listen carefully and note it in your rough book. Next we'll see sources of vitamins and minerals are fruits, vegetables, meat and milk. These are the sources of vitamins and minerals. Then from which food we are getting minerals and vitamins to our body? Nam body ಯಾವ food ಇಂದ vitamins ಮತ್ತೆ minerals ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? Yes, by eating of fruits. If you eat fruits, then you will get vitamins and minerals to your body. Vegetables, meat and milk. By eating these, we will get vitamins and minerals to our body. Yes, dear students, today just I have discussed the components of food. Which are the components of food? Yes, which are the essential components of food? Carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. These are the essential components of food which are required to our body. In the next video class, again I will continue with this lesson. Till that, read the lesson, study well. Have a nice day. Thank you.